Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy in Exness. To begin, open your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading account and access the tools needed to place a trade. Once you're on the main account page, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct trading account before continuing, especially if you have more than one account available. Next, click on Trade. This will open the trading options connected to your selected account. The trade section is essentially your gateway into the live trading environment, so this is where the buying process starts. After that, click on Exness Terminal. This opens the web-based trading terminal, which allows you to place orders directly from your browser without needing to install separate software. Where, if the terminal takes a moment to load, just wait until the market panel and trading area appear clearly on your screen. Once you're inside the terminal, click on your preferred coin. This step is where you choose the asset you want to buy. Be sure to select the correct coin carefully, since the price chart and order panel will update based on that selection. It's a good habit to quickly confirm the symbol or market name so you know you are trading the right asset. Then move to the upper right part of your screen and click on Buy. This opens the buy order panel where you'll set up the details of your trade. The buy option is used when you expect the asset's price to rise, so this is the right action if your goal is to enter a long position. Now adjust your volume, take profit, or stop loss. Volume controls the trade size, so choose an amount that fits your trading plan and risk level. Take profit lets you set a target price where the trade can close automatically if the market moves in your favor. Stop loss helps limit risk by closing the trade if the price moves against you. These settings are important because they help you manage the trade more carefully instead of relying only on manual actions later. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Buy. This sends your order to the market. After confirmation, your position should appear in the terminal where you can monitor its performance and manage it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to place a buy order in Exness. As a final reminder, always double-check your trade details before confirming, especially the asset, volume, and risk settings to help avoid mistakes when entering the market.